Hi, I'm here to do a review on pop-on veneers. Let me tell you, I bought them because I have yuck mouth. See? Ugh. And then I had this and I had that. I have really messed up teeth. And it was because I had an allergic reaction to a medication that I was taking during a clinical trial. So yes, and so then my teeth started to fall out. But pop-on veneers are real. I took a chance and I signed up for them, and I logged in. I found them on the website, and then I logged in, and then I created me an account, and then I went ahead and I sent my information in, and then I got them like about maybe a week later. So it took me a little while to to get the molds together because I'm a procrastinator. So I procrastinated a little bit, and then I put them together, and then I made the molds. I meshed it and made the molds, and I put it in my mouth, and I set it, and then I sent them back, and then about 2 weeks later, I got my molds. I got my tops and my bottoms, and this handy little case right here. And it was about 2 weeks later, and then I got them in white. Yeah, so I got the top. Here's my top. And here's my bottom. As you can see, it's a much better look on my face, right? Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. And I got my smile back. I got my self-esteem, my confidence, everything. So much better. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers.